probably going to be the shortest video that I make. But you guys, I wanted to just jump in here and show you the state of my hair. When my hair looked like this, and I've had it in a very crusty bun for a week, but I just put, no, I think it was 2 weeks that I had this bun in my hair, and my hair is so tangled. What I like to do to uplift like all the product that I've put on my hair for 2 weeks at a time, most of the time it doesn't just come off of my hair since I do live in a fifth wheel and I don't have that much hot water. So what I have to do is do a apple cider vinegar soak. So what I do is actually put apple cider vinegar, like 1.5 cup of apple cider vinegar in this white tub, and then I just submerge my head and let my hair soak. And I do a finger massage. I also make sure that I'm doing like getting my scalp really good. I'm making sure that I'm getting all the product buildup off my hair. I'm trying to get my pH levels in my hair back to the way they need to be. And you guys, I will soak my hair like this for about 10 minutes. But what you guys see me do was wash my hair, and I only washed it with water to get a lot of the product off my hair strands and off of my scalp. So as you guys are seeing me do, I am really thoroughly trying to make sure that my scalp is getting saturated, and I am soaking it very well to help lift all of those dead skin cells, nasty old products off of my hair, the gel that I've been putting in my hair, making sure that I am not going to accumulate any dandruff or anything when I do this process. In this way, I'm absolutely getting my hair as clean as possible. I don't normally like to wash my hair upside down like this because my hair gets very tangled when I wash it upside down. But when I feel like my scalp really needs an apple cider vinegar treatment, this is what I do. And then I go back to the sink and wash my hair. I will follow up with a deep conditioner, and then I will wash the deep conditioner out the next morning. But I really hope this helps you guys if you are really struggling with dandruff or anything like that. Make sure you do one of these like apple cider vinegar soaks on your hair, and I promise you your scalp and your hair is going to thank you for it. So I know this video wasn't the prettiest, and I know it was really fast, but the way that I get myself really comfortable is getting a pillow and a blanket and a pillow that I don't care about, because apple cider vinegar can smell. But just make yourself really comfortable, and you guys thank me later. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.